Welcome to Module 3, Set in Python. In this module, we will focus on how sets behave in code, especially how outputs are produced when we create, modify, and perform operations on sets. This slide introduces the main properties of a set. A set uses curly braces, does not maintain order, and does not allow duplicate values. For example, if we define my_set equals a 5, 2, 8, 2, even though 2 appears twice, the set will automatically store it only once. So the final set becomes 5, 2, 8, 1, or similar order depending on execution. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. This means, no indexing is allowed, no duplicate values are stored, order is not guaranteed, so unlike lists or tuples, we cannot access elements using positions like index 0 or 1. A set stores unique and immutable elements. Although the set itself can be modified, each element inside must be immutable. Sets are commonly used for operations such as union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. Let's analyze the code shown. S1 equals a 1, 2, 3, this creates a set using curly braces. Empty_s equals set, this creates an empty set using the set function. List_s equals set, 1, 2, 3, this converts a list into a set. Even if the list contains duplicates, the set will remove them automatically. This slide introduces the main operations. Union combines elements, intersection finds common elements, difference finds unique elements, symmetric difference finds elements not shared. We will now see how each operation works with code. A set is created by placing all the elements inside curly braces, separated by comma or by using the built-in function set. The elements can be of different types: integer, float, tuple, string, etc. But a set cannot have a mutable element, like list, set, or dictionary, as its element. Let's go step by step. Set 1 equals 100, 10, 20, 30, this creates a set with 4 values. Set 2 equals set 1, 2, 3, 3, here, the list contains duplicate value 3. Now, print set 1, output 10, 100, 20, 30, the order is not the same as input because sets are unordered. Print set 2, output 1, 2, 3, duplicate value 3 is removed automatically. This slide explains why the output looks different. First, sets do not maintain insertion order, so the arrangement may vary. Second, duplicates are automatically removed. So even if we insert repeated values, the set will only keep one copy. A set can contain elements of different type. Now look at this example. My_set equals 1.0, hello, 30, 10, 20. This set contains a float, a string, a tuple. Now, print my_set, output will display all elements, but order may vary, 1.0, 30, 10, 20, hello, this shows sets allow mixed data types. Sets are mutable, but elements inside a set must be immutable. Let's analyze valid and invalid cases. S equals a 1, 2, 3, 4, error lists are mutable, so they cannot be elements of a set. S equals a 1, 2, 3, 4, valid tuples are immutable, so they are allowed. S equals a 1, high, 1, 2, valid all elements are immutable. S equals a 1, 2, 3, error because one element is a list. So rule, every element inside a set must be immutable. Let's go step by step. S equals 1, 2, 3, is.add 4. This adds value 4 into the set, prints output 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, s.remove 2. This removes the value 2, prints output 1, 3, 4. Important, sets do not use index removal as based on value. Sets can be used to carry out mathematical set operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. This slide summarizes how sets perform mathematical operations using operators. Union uses vertical bar, intersection uses ampersand, difference uses minus, symmetric difference uses caret symbol. Let's analyze both operations. A equals a 1, 2, 3, B equals E3, 4, 5, union, A B. This combines all unique elements, output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, intersection, A and B. This returns only common elements, output 3, 4, if using second example. Now, A equals 1, 2, 3, B equals E3, 4, 5, operation, A, B. This keeps elements in A that are not in B. So, 1 and 2 remain, 3 is removed because it exists in B, output 1, 2. Now, A to the power of B. This returns elements that are not common in both sets. Common element is 3, so it is removed. Remaining elements, 1, 2, 4, 5, output 1, 2, 4, 5. This slide shows useful set methods and functions. Examples: len, set, returns number of elements min, set, and max, set, returns smallest and largest values set. Intersection, finds common elements set. Difference, finds unique elements. All these functions operate on sets without allowing duplicates. In summary, sets are useful when we need unique elements, fast membership checking, mathematical operations on data. They automatically remove duplicates and allow efficient comparison between collections.